Okay, so this is a test of a new lavalier microphone or lapel mic, whatever the hell you want to call it. I bought on Amazon. I got two of them, wireless, little dongle and all that for $10. So we're gonna try it out. So this is what it sounds like. It's hooked to my shirt right now. You can see right there, hooked to my shirt, and we're gonna see how it works. So this is the 2x8 I've been working on. Um, I only have like an hour a day to work on stuff right now. I work every day, but you can see all the shit I've pulled out of it so far. One thing I did not expect is you see these two input coaxes go here. See, this is 5 inches apart right here. I'll get that better in the camera. That's 5 inches apart. That's not 5 inches apart, and this first one here is taunt, which means these are not the same length. And if you look at the output side, right here, this one is taunt, goes to here, and that's 5 inches apart. From here to here, it's not 5 inches. Yeah, so I get to pull those out. Those have to be the same length. That could explain why this thing was having a bit of an issue right to left. So I'm going to pull out the input and output coaxes, and as you can see, the main input and main output are just, they're way too long. Why all this? It's, so I'm going to put all new coaxes in it. I've already torn out the preamp and all the switches, and then the little wires from the power rail over to here. We're probably going to rip the power rail off too. Put a bigger one on, drill holes in the board. We're probably going to run 5 power lines down through the board over to the power source. So yeah, that's what we got going on. I checked all the capacitors on here. Everything seems to be good. I think the issue with it right to left was actually the input and output coaxes. So we'll get those changed out. I'm probably going to clean all this up. I don't like how these chokes are sitting. I like to run mine straight off and nice and neat, and declutter this whole area. So we're probably going to fix that. And I still have to retune that input. I notice the input is 4 turns to 3 turns with two 2879s, and I haven't checked the capacitance on this, but I'm going to put a metal clad on here. I'm not going to fuck with that. So yeah, there you go. We're working on it. We'll get it did. It's going to look nice when we're done. I got the two 500 amp solenoids to disconnect the amplifier from the super cap and to disconnect the super cap from the truck. And those will be mounted inside the case, like over here, so that one toggle switch will set these off in sequence. That will, in case anything happens here, it will completely shut it off from the supercapacitor. It's just a safety thing, really. But what we got going on so far?